Alright guys, this is Nirbhay. So this video will be very short and to the point video. Okay, so if you are someone who is planning to schedule their AWS certification exam, whether it can be of foundational certificates that include AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner or AWS AI Practitioner, or it can be associate level exams, which includes exams like Machine Learning, Solution Architect Associate, and various other exams, or it can be for professional level certification that you can see on my screen. Okay, or it can be specialty level certification. Okay, so for all kind of exams you can get discounted coupons. So for that, what you have to do, you have to simply open your new tab and you have to search for globalitsuccess.com. Okay, so first of all, I would like to clear over here, I have not taken any kind of sponsorship from this globalitsuccess.com. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to simply search for this globalitsuccess.com and you have to simple hit enter. Okay, so a page like this will appear where you have to find AWS and you have to simply click on that. So as you can see, for AWS foundational level exam, you are getting flat 30% discounted coupons for foundational exam. It can be Cloud Practitioner Foundational or AI Practitioner Foundation. And similarly for associate level exams like Solution Architect Associate and various other associate level exam, there is 30% discounted voucher. And similarly, there is 30% discounted voucher for AWS professional and specialty level exams also.